Tired of redesigning the same button over and over again? Well, today we're diving into Figma Components, your secret weapon for design efficiency and consistency. Let's get started first. Select the element you want to make reusable, for example, a button, an icon, or even a whole navigation bar. Next, with your element selected, click the Create Component icon at the top of your Figma window. It looks like for diamonds, forming a larger diamond. This turns your selected element into a master component, indicated by a filled diamond icon. Now, to use your component, simply drag and drop it from the Assets panel onto your design canvas. These are called instances, linked copies of the master component. The beauty of components is that when you edit the master component, say, changing the button color or text, all instances automatically update. Select the master component and make your desired changes. You'll see those changes reflected everywhere you've used that component. But what if you need a slight variation of a component? That's where overrides come in. You can adjust properties of an instance, like text or color, without affecting the master component or other instances. Components not only save you time but also ensure design consistency across your project. Plus, they make collaboration a breeze since everyone is working with the same reusable elements. So, start using components in Figma today and watch your workflow transform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Figma tips and tricks. Happy designing!